Today's route was only about 133 miles. We left the Williston Crossing, our RV resort, came on down, crossed over, we stayed on 121, 98, and we went all the way down to the Freezer Tiki Bar. And this is where we ended up meeting Manfred and his buddy. From there, we went past the Harley shop and we did the Ozello Trail. He's never been on that before. Then we said our goodbyes to them because they had to head back towards St. Pete. We ended up going back, and right in here, we like mixing it up a little. We took 40 and then we took these back roads and then back to 121 and back to our RV resort. It was a great day. Beautiful weather. New Year's Eve day. We're going to head over to the Freezer, Homosassa Springs, and we're going to meet our buddy Manfred. He's flying in from Germany. Time to feast. Yeah, baby. 57 degrees today. What a beautiful day in sunny Florida. Want to let you guys know this restaurant right here, it's pretty good. The Shrimp Landing, and at times they have all you can eat. It might be on the weekend. You got to check their schedule. Here we're coming into Homosassa Springs. Right here used to be Neon Leon's. It's something else now. This is the freezer. Here we are. Ready to do some feasting. You ready, Marsh?
Yep.
Karen?
Are you ready yet?
I'm ready. I'm always ready. Yeah. Where's Eddie at? And what was kind of amazing when we pulled up here, there was already a line of people out here. I'd say 15 people waiting to go in, but I think we're still good. One thing I like about this place is volume. It's not an all-you-can-eat buffet, but I ended up getting 2.5 pounds of shrimp, and I think it was $20 for the full peel and eat, and it was good. Oh yeah, baby. Time to feast.
Christmas Eve or whatever, we had 2 toys and 11-inch socks in it.
Where we want to sit at?
That looks nice.
This is where I start walking around and I get some video clips to show you guys what this place looks like. This place opens at 11:30. Right now it's 11:38, and when we pulled up here there was already a line for most all these cars. This place gets busy. Well, I need to go in because I ordered 2.5 pounds of steamed shrimp. Ned looked very hungry. Everybody get a full belly?
Yeah, absolutely.
Everybody's rolling.
Everybody's rolling.
So you
Usually
got to finally experience our little dragon.
yeah. And it was a pleasure. And it's not all straight like people think. It's a nice curvy road. And I'm proud to share it with you.
Cool. I'm glad you guys made it.
Yeah.
And both of you been all around Africa and Southern
South
Africa.
and West Coast United States. And yeah, we enjoy riding in the States. It's always special.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Glad you guys made it.
Thanks.
Michael, look at this sinkhole.
So, where are you two from?
We're from Gainesville,
Is that
Alachua,
in Alachua?
Florida.
Florida.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
How you like it out here?
It's wonderful.
Been here a few times.
Yes,
Yeah,
we have.
I got the power here. I got the camera.
What are you doing here?
I'm videoing superstars here.
Clearly.
Are they allowed to duck hunt, Junior Ranger?
Pleasure. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Michael.
Happy New
Happy
Year.
New Year. You take care. Have safe
I will.
ride.
All right, you guys. Always great riding with Manfred. Now, after we said our goodbyes shortly after they left, we're on our way back. And this is one of the nicest parts, this little causeway on the Ozello Trail that I like. And towards the end up here, there was some porpoises out there hunting, getting some fish. They were jumping, making a lot of waves. I couldn't catch it on camera.
Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's motorcycle trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?